Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're gonna go in great detail and talk about the next crypto coin that is gonna make it big. Now, cryptocurrency might have started out in the Wild West of investing dominated by mavericks, but now firmly in the financial mainstream. Institutional investors and big banks treat it as a serious asset despite recent volatility. The collapse of major exchanges and regular crackdowns everywhere still makes it one of the most interesting assets in the market. Now, if you need evidence of how volatile, consider this. As of January 4th, the Bitcoin's value has ranged from as low as $15,599 to as high as $68,000 in the past 2 years. Despite the volatility, many cryptocurrency investors remain on the lookout for the next big payoff. So keep watching this video to find out exactly what's gonna happen and which is the cryptocurrency that you should definitely keep an eye out for. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Now, if you're looking to start buying cryptocurrencies, you might be wondering which one will bring the biggest potential return. Although Bitcoin might be the obvious choice, it's not necessarily the best one in 2023. Your chances of having a big payoff might be better with a smaller coin that hasn't already been pumped up by institutional investors the way Bitcoin has. And obviously the first one, without a doubt, is gonna be Ethereum, commonly known as Ether, is the world's second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, even outperforming Bitcoin's at time. In 2021, Ethereum instituted a major upgrade that included reducing the supply of Ether, currently at 122.37 million coins. The upgrade also allows the Ethereum network to handle more transactions per second, improve the platform's scalability, and lower transactional fees. Compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum lacks scarcity. Bitcoin's supplies is capped at 21 million coins, and the widespread acceptance of companies and governments. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum isn't just a store of value, guys. It also powers an infrastructure on which apps can be built. Other cryptocurrencies are issued on Ethereum, and it serves as the foundation of the decentralized finance. Many metaverse projects, including Star Atlas, Axie Infinity, and the Sandbox, use the Ethereum blockchain, as do most NFT. Another upgrade that was launched in September 2022 transitioned Ethereum to a Web 3.0 ready of proof of stake mechanism that reduced energy consumption about 99.95% and further increased security and scalability. At number 2, we've got the Binance coin. Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of trading volume. Like Bitcoin, Binance coin keeps a hard limit on the number of tokens in circulation. In this case, 1.59 million out of the maximum of 200 million coins are currently in circulation. This helped the token price increase exponentially in 2021. Binance puts about 1/5 of its profit each quarter into permanent getting rid of or burning BNB tokens, which raises the value of the remaining tokens. It has already burned over 38.5 million Binance tokens and expects to eventually burn 50% of the maximum supply. Now, Binance has 2 blockchains, which reduce the kind of bottleneck Ethereum is vulnerable to. It's also fast and scalable, and Binance is in the process of making the platform more regulatory friendly, a feature that could be crucial for its widespread adoption, especially in the light of the collapse of the rival exchange FTX. Now, Binance recently launched the Bifinity, a fiat to cryptocurrency payment platform that will help merchants prepare to accept digital assets as payments. Now, the payment processing platform supports more than 50 cryptocurrencies and a major payment network like Visa and MasterCard. At number 3, we've got Ether. Ether is a type of stable coin designed to provide a less volatile alternative to the Bitcoin because it is linked to another asset. In Ether's case, the asset is the US dollar. In evaluation terms, Ether usually has a 1-to-1 ratio with the dollar, meaning it is less volatile than cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ether, and usually being the operative word. Now, in May 2022, Ether briefly dropped to 0.944 $0.0455, and it lowers the price since 2018 before returning to its typical price of above 99 cents. Although analysts disagree over whether the drop constituted a true depegging from the dollar that led to the sell-off of investors worried that Ether could plummet like another stablecoin like Terra, raced to move into Bitcoin, other coins now selling at what should some consider to be a steep discount. With $66.25 billion market cap, Ether is the largest stablecoin and the third largest coin overall. It is also the most traded coin. Cryptocurrency investors use it to hold funds or make transactions using funds that they want to protect against the price swings to which Bitcoin and Ethereum and other non-stable cryptocurrencies are vulnerable. At number 4, we have Decentraland Mana. Decentraland is a virtual reality game on the Ethereum blockchain that uses the Mana token as an in-game currency. Now users can purchase goods and services, buy land and visit other players, as well as monetize their own content. Mana's price obviously has decreased significantly, but Mana is the fourth largest gaming cryptocurrency in terms of the market cap. Although Decentraland does not have competition from the likes of Sandbox and the ApeCoin, and in-game assets are quite expensive. Land parcels recently listed on the blocky start at 2 Ethereum, worth about $2,600 at the current prices. It has some benefit, guys, that could push the Mana token forward. If the Decentraland metaverse needed a boost, it got one in May 2022 when the Millennium Hotels and Resorts launched the M Social on the platform. Now, according to the press release, this is the first metaverse hotel operated by the Hospitality Group. Decentraland has also signed a deal to integrate the upcoming film The Infinity Machine and its NFT collection into the metaverse. At number 5, we got Algorand, founded by the noted computer scientist Silvio Micali, has positioned itself as a competitor to Ethereum blockchain. Hundreds of companies use it. According to securities.io, it got a huge lift in 2021 when El Salvador said it would establish its blockchain infrastructure using Algorand. The venture capitalist firm Borderless Capital launched a $500 million fund to invest in the digital asset that powered the Decentraland application on Algorand. The Marshall Islands central bank digital currency Sovereign has also uses Algorand. The International Federation of Association Football selected Algorand as its official blockchain. One of Algorand's biggest advantages is its proof of stake algorithm, which offers a high degree of security, scalability, and requires less electricity than Bitcoin and other platforms. But guys, before you invest in any cryptocurrency, please make sure to do your own due diligence in investing and never invest more than you're willing to lose. My videos are always available to help you, support you, and to guide you. If you need any clarification, you can always drop us a message in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you in regards to any inquiries that you might have. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out how to find the next big cryptocurrency to invest in. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.